Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Today we are going to talk about tenses, and the tenses, it helps us to talk about time, whether something happened in the past or it is happening now or it will happen in the future. So without wasting time, we'll get started with our session, tenses. All right, so I just write it down here, tense. And tense means time. Tense means time. Tense means time. And we have three times. We have three times. Number one, which is called present. All right. Number two, past, which is already gone. Number three is future. All right. So we have three times: present, past, and future. And each time has, you have to understand something. So each time has four aspects. Aspects means sides, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this room has the four sides, like four aspects. So what is the first aspect, which is called simple? All right. And the second aspect, that is called continuous. Okay. And the third aspect is called perfect. And the fourth aspect, it is called perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. So what happens is, actually, when the present time, this combines with the simple aspect, so this becomes the present simple tense. Present simple. All right. So present time combines with the simple aspect, so this becomes the present simple. Likewise, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Continuous. All right. So likewise, past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous. So we have, in each time, we have four aspects. So four tenses we have: present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So likewise, 4 plus 4 plus 4, we have total 12 tenses. So today we are going to learn, we are focusing today on the first one, which is present simple tense. And it is very easy, you don't worry. All right, we'll go step by step, unless you understand. So the present simple tense, we'll try to understand the present simple tense. Present simple. All right. So when you are making any sentence of any tense, the first thing you need is the structure. Very important. Once you know the structure, only you need to plug in the component and your sentence is completed. So the first thing is called structure, and sometimes it could be called formula or rule also. So I don't want to get confused. If I tell you only structure, if somebody asks you what is the formula or what are the rules for the present simple, so I don't want to get confused. So it could be called formula and it could be called rules also. All right. So the formula or the structure, we'll take only this word structure. Okay. So don't make any confusions. So structure for this one is subject plus verb first form or verb fifth form plus object. All right. So for structure for the present simple is subject, verb first form, or verb. Sometimes we use the verb first form, or sometimes we use the verb fifth form, and object. Now you will be confused. What is subject? What is verb first form? What is object? All right. So first we try to focus on the subject. What is subject? I'll write it down here. What is subject? Subject means doer of action. Doer of action. Doer of action. Or you can call it action performer. Who does action? Action performer. Action performer. In Urdu, you can call it काम करने वाला. काम करने वाला. All right. Okay. So what if somebody asks you, okay, fine, काम करने वाला or doer or action performer, but can you please give me the examples, like who could be the subject? All right, example of subjects are examples of subject. Like I can do that, like I play cricket. We go to the market. I, we, you, okay, you sing a song, like so many, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or Rashid, any name, male or female, Fatima, Martin, Angela. So we understood that the subject is the doer of action or action performer or काम करने वाला. And who could be the subject? Like examples, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, Rashid or Fatima. So this part is clear. Now we get into the verb. First we understand what is the verb, and then we get into later verb forms. Verb means action. Verb means action. In Urdu you can call it काम. Alright? So you would, what could be the action like काम, like who could be? So example of verbs are examples of verb, like cook, like sing, like write, like play, anything. Like in Urdu you can call it khana, pina, utna, baithna, nachna, gana, sona, odna. So these are all verbs. So this part already we've done, and now we get into the object. What is the object? Object means who receives the action. Action receiver. Who receives the action. Action receiver. Action receiver. Like for instance, I play football. I play football. I play football. So here, I, what is I? As I told you, action performer, doer. So I play. I is the subject, and play, action, verb or action, and the football, the verb, the playing action. Who receives it? The football. So football is receiver or object. Is it clear? Alright. Now you would be confused about the verb first form and the fifth form. Basically verb have three main forms. Alright. And the fourth and the fifth form, when you add ing to the first form, this becomes the verb fourth form. And the verb fifth form, when you add s or es with the verb first form, this becomes the verb fifth form. Okay, we'll make it here. For instance, we1 stand for verb first form, we2, we3, we4, and we5. Alright, so let's say the first form of the verb, let's we take it to go. Second form is went. Third form is gone. Fourth form is called ing form. So the first form go, when you add ing, this becomes the fourth form. And the fifth form go, and when you add s or es to the first form, this becomes goes. So go, went, gone, going, goes. Alright, so you would be confused where to add s or es. S or es we'll talk in another video, where we have to add s and where we have to add es. Alright, so we understood now the verb has 5 forms. V1, V2, V3 and V4 is ing form, and V5 is s or es form. Now the second important thing is identification in Urdu. How you identify, I mean, if you come across some sentence which you have to make it, how you will distinguish or how you will figure out whether this tense is in Urdu, it is present simple or present continuous or present perfect. So identification, the first thing you need to know in order for you to make any sentence of any tense is the structure or formula or rule. I will just write a formula also for you, so you shouldn't be forgetting, or rule. Alright. Number 2, it is called identification. How you identify. Identification, pehchan in Urdu. Identification. Identification in Urdu. So how do I identify? So such sentences which sentences ends with ता है ती है, ता है ती है ते हैं, etc. So we can understand that if just present simple tense. For instance, if we say मैं खाना पकाता हूँ, you understood? So ta hai, ti hai ends with ta hai, so it is very clear. We can identify this is present simple tense. Now we start making some sentences. Okay, so let's get started. This sentence which we have written now, मैं खाना पकाता हूँ, we'll make it into English. So when you are making sentence in English, you have to follow this structure. The first thing which is cross your mind is the structure or the formula. So you need to only plug in the components. Like subject, we'll just write it here, and V1 and V5 and like this. Okay, the first thing when you are making, so first thing is the subject. So मैं खाना, so where is the subject? मैं, so I. Now you would be confused. We have to use the verb first form and the fifth form. If the subject is I, we, you, they, and singular noun or plural noun here, plural noun, like more than one name, we use the verb first form. Okay, and if the subject is he, she, it, or singular noun, one name, like Rashid or Fatima, and we take the verb fifth form. Very easy. So here we have I, and we take with the verb first form I. So मैं खाना पकाता हूँ. I, the verb cook. I cook. The verb first form I cook, and the object खाना, food. I cook food. Very easy. Now we'll make it another with the V5. Rashid cricket खेलता है. Rashid cricket खेलता है. So first thing we need, the subject is Rashid, and what is the verb? Action. Action is खेलता है, play. And you see here the Rashid, the singular noun, we take the verb fifth form, play become plays. So Rashid plays, and the cricket, C-R-I-C, the cricket, the object. Okay guys, so we understood the structure is important, and the second thing, identification in Urdu. The third thing which is very important in this one, you need to know where this tense is used. This is very important. Definition. Alright, definition is very important. This allows you to understand whether this tense belongs to the present simple, present continuous, past simple, future simple. The present simple definition is, it talks about two things. Alright, two things. Number one, daily routines. And secondly, it talks about the truth, the reality, facts. It talks about the truth, facts, or realities. So daily routines means whatever you do regularly, like your routines, what you do. I wake up at 5 o'clock, I make ablution, I go to the mosque, I pray, offer the prayer. Alright, I come back home, I take my breakfast, I prepare myself, I go to the school, I attend to the classes, I come back, I take my lunch, I offer prayer, dua, I take a little rest, I wake up at 5, I go to the playground, I play, so on, daily routines. And what does the truth mean? The realities. The sun rises in the east, the star shines in the night, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 2 and 2 make 4, or Fatma works as a teacher. Reality, she works as a teacher, the truth. So we understand